What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today, guys, we are gonna switch it up. I'm going to apply DEF to my lawn for the very first time, and together, we're gonna see what happens. So make sure you stick around to find out. All right, first, before we begin, if you are on my lawn plan, just stick with that. This is just an experiment for me to find out how this all works. So again, if you're on my plan, just stick with that. I don't want you messing up your lawn. All right, so as you are fully aware, having a large lawn presents a challenge. It's a challenge for me to find a fertilizer that is cost-effective and will deliver results. So as you guys know, DEF is absolutely blowing up the internet. It's all over YouTube, it's all over these lawn forums. So I wanted to find out for myself if it works, how to use it, so that I can share those results with you. So if you don't know what DEF is, DEF stands for diesel exhaust fluid. And basically what it is an additive that diesel engines need to help them pass emissions inspections here in the United States. And it's really made up of two ingredients, water and urea. And it's that urea that gets people really excited. And so I picked up this DEF at Walmart for about 15 bucks. And this entire 2.5 gallon box will cover my 20,000 square foot lawn with a little bit extra. So for $15 to make a fertilizer application, nothing can touch that price. And so that's what gets people so excited. This is not formulated for your lawn. This was made for diesel vehicles as an additive for fuel emissions, like I said earlier. So if you're gonna do this, proceed with caution. And again, I don't want you messing up your lawn. All right, so here's the breakdown. Urea is 46% nitrogen, and DEF, according to the label, is 32.5% urea. So how do we calculate how much nitrogen is in this box? It's really simple. We multiply those two numbers together, and that gives us 15%. For a box of blue DEF, the NPK ratio is 15:0. So really quick before we begin, leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you ever used DEF? Did you get the results and what did you think? I'd love to hear from you. So again, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Anytime I am making a liquid fertilizer application, I never recommend going over 0.2 pounds of N per thousand. And so today's application, we're gonna do half that. We're gonna do 0.1 pounds of nitrogen per thousand. So that comes out to be 10 ounces of DEF per 1,000 square feet. So the way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna measure it out. We're gonna put it in our backpack sprayer, and then I'm gonna use this 4 gallons to cover 5,000 square feet. Now my lawn is 20,000 square feet, so we're gonna end up doing that 4 different times, and then we'll bring you back and I'll show you the results and show you, did this turn my lawn green or did it burn it? All right, guys, so I'll be honest with you, I'm actually kind of nervous, if I'm being perfectly honest. Next time you see me, we're gonna bring the camera out here and I'll show you guys the results and see how the spray went. Again, I think it went down pretty well. It's pretty easy. I'm excited to show you guys the results. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it has been 5 days since we put down that DEF. We applied that on a Monday, and today is Saturday when I'm recording this. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the results and show you what it looks like after 5 days. Now I will tell you, it has been dry here. We have not had much rain in the past couple of weeks, so I'm sure that has something to do with the results as well. Of course, temperatures here in springtime, also in the mid 30s at night, and then we're getting up into the 60s and 70s during the day. So the lawn is greening up naturally, but I will tell you, the DEF absolutely kicked this lawn into overdrive. this is what the lawn is looking like. I'll kind of pan for you guys to show you. But it absolutely kick-started the green up. For sure, the lawn has started growing, which is awesome, which we knew was gonna happen because we were putting down a pretty good shot of nitrogen. If you guys remember, again, we only put down 0.1 pounds of N per 1,000. But the color just looks fantastic, but it looks great. So I guess the question that you're wondering is, would I recommend this? I have to say yes. I'll be honest, I was a little bit nervous. Obviously, this is not a fertilizer that's designed for your lawn, but it works. And it's cheap, and it's easy. You can find it just about everywhere. Shoot, you can go buy this at a gas pump at some places. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're gonna make a ton of awesome videos just like this all year. So hope you guys will join me. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.